Iora Ecological Solutions ke badai na Delhi kelas semai banyak trilang bat keseroka Jylla Meghalaya lemru bat ki Autonomous District Council kata ke KHADC, JHADC bat GHADC ban pelong ya ke Jylla ke badon ya ke yok ke kot ke bam kata ya ke mei mariang. Hadian beladep ya kendu ya UCM ke KHADC uba penyak sing CM UCO uswapan merah ula pentip ba ke Iora ke yarab ya ki nong rep ban Kyntiew shu ya ki jingdon jing jong ki lengba ke carbon finance hakaba latmu ru ban penmi pisa na ki carbon credit ban ningkong hapo an nelai benai daka jingdon ya ke jaka ke bayar kumba kendai hajar hektar kendai hajar ngut ki nong rep ki balaya Ïasnoh ktilang batka Iora ketemu ban penyar jaka hadu shilak hektar ka KHADC ke kershan ya ke ne ke jingtemu daka ba penyesno ya ke Iora bat ki pat ba kene ke projek terbaru ya ke jingera pisah hapo ke skim Payment for Ecosystem Services dan PES.
On helping community and farmers in Meghalaya get the best value for their tree assets through carbon finance. So in this we have a partnership with the largest agriculture bank in the world, Rabobank, with whom we are developing this program, and we are soon about to monetize their first carbon in the next 2-3 months. We have onboarded 19,000 hectares, about 9,000 farmers onto our digital platform, and our goal is to take this to 100,000 hectares.
Cái jing tre cái jungi cái jing day cái jungi bat ki kalong ba ling ba jungi ngiyo ban pensyai ba ngiyo ban pensung thu yaki nong rep cái jungi bat kumjur ki nong shong shnong cái jungi habai day ba ka jing kongsan ban penek pensa ekamariam kamtam yakaba kinongrep ke jongi kin yo jing mentoi
Uwei unong